Welcome to Profit Chain Trade Academy. Ever wondered what exactly is traded in Forex? Let's break it down, fast and simple. The short answer? Money. More specifically, currencies. Think of it like buying a share in a country's economy, just like you'd buy shares in a company. When you buy Japanese yen, you're betting that Japan's economy is doing well, and could do even better. Later, when you sell it back, hopefully, you make a profit. That's the essence of Forex trading. There are dozens of currencies, but beginners usually start with the majors. These are the 8 major currencies: EUR, Euro, USD, United States Dollar, JPY, Japan Yen, GBP, Great Britain Pound, CHF, Switzerland Franc, CAD, Canada Dollar, AUD, Australia Dollar, NZD, New Zealand Dollar. Together, they dominate the Forex market. Each currency uses a 3-letter code. First 2 letters equals country. Last letter equals currency name. Example: United States dollar is called USD. Fun fact, the British pound is the world's oldest currency still in use, and the newest? Zimbabwe gold, ZIG, launched in April 2024. By the way, the US dollar isn't just called the buck. There's cheddar, greenbacks, moolah, benjis, even cocoa in Peru. Want to know which currencies are hot or not? Check out our currency strength monitor, live, dynamic, and essential for smart trading. Now that you know what's traded in Forex, it's time to dive deeper. Join us at Adventure Profits Profit Chain Trade Academy and level up your trading game. Like, subscribe, and let's make profits together.